Good day. We are proud to introduce you to our group, Learning Team 7, which aims to analyze how to develop and manage the right sustainable supply chains in today's organizations. Today, we are bringing you the case of Amazon as a logistics company. To start, way back in 1994, Amazon was founded by Jeff Bezos in Seattle, Washington. At first, the company was named as Cadabra Incorporated. Initially, it sold books. After 3 years, the firm went public, raising $54 million on NASDAQ stock exchange. Since the start of 21st century, Amazon has allowed third parties to sell on its website. It even acquired online retailers such as drugstore.com, diapers.com, audible.com, and zappos.com. As part of its expansion strategy, the company piloted physical store concepts in 2007 and established Amazon Web Services in 2018. After a lot of highs and lows in Amazon, and as a result of excellent management of Bezos, the company has expanded quickly and vastly and now has more than 300 million customers, more than 2 million third-party sellers, 573 million products for sale on its website, 566,000 employees, $702 billion in terms of market capitalization, and presence in 200 plus countries and territories around the world. Speaking of milestones, Amazon has undergone 5 key stages. First, we have the giving birth to a giant. From 1994 to 1997, Amazon's website operations started and the company went public. Under the second phase, we have the gaining traction. From 2000 to 2005, third-party sellers were allowed to sell on its website, and Amazon Prime was launched. Thirdly, we have the building an empire stage. From 2006 to 2010, Amazon Web Services, Fulfillment by Amazon or FBA, Amazon Fresh, Kindle Store, Amazon Music, Amazon Store Digital Game, and Amazon and Amazon Studios was established. For the fourth phase, we have the rising above and beyond. From 2011 to 2015, App Store, Amazon Drive, Fire Tablets, Fire TV Echo, and Amazon Business were launched, and Amazon bookstores were opened. Lastly, from 2016 to 2018, under the exceeding expectations stage, the global supply chain by Amazon was created. The company acquired Whole Foods, Amazon Key was introduced, and Amazon Go Kindle Store and Shipping with Amazon were launched. The major factors that drive business practices by Amazon include its focus on its logistic system, customer-centric approach, strategy to scale innovation, and relationship with third-party sellers. Underscoring the significance of logistics and its operations, Amazon has made great strides to establish itself as a global logistics giant. The key components in Amazon's logistics include storage and warehousing, transport or fleet, inventory management, packaging and handling, and information control. Logistics has substantially contributed to the company's massive success and growth. Under the rapid delivery pathways, which involve standard shipping, same day, and Prime Now deliveries, after an order is processed, Amazon delivery takes one of these paths, depending on the order's dollar amount, size and weight, geography, and customer choices. Delivery times range from mere seconds in the case of digital media to 5 to 8 business days for standard shipping of packages.
Amazon's rising costs in terms of logistics. Amazon's shipment and fulfillment costs have skyrocketed over the past decade, with total logistics costs growing more than 20-fold between 2009 and 2019. Last year alone, the company's shipping costs amounted to $37.9 billion, with fulfillment costs, for example, costs of operating and staffing fulfillment centers, adding another $40.2 billion to achieve the logistics bill. While the company's revenue also grew more than tenfold since 2009, that wasn't enough to offset the growth in logistics costs. In 2009, shipping and fulfillment costs amounted to 15.6% of net sales. By 2019, that share had risen to 27.9%. Amazon invested heavily in its logistics network. In 2006, Amazon created FBA, a service that managed the fulfillment process for its third-party sellers. In 2012, Amazon acquired Kiva Systems, later renamed as Amazon Robotics, which designed and installed warehouse automation systems exclusively for Amazon. In 2013, Amazon launched an umbrella project that expanded its fulfillment capabilities, like Dragon Boat, to create a global delivery network to facilitate movement of goods from China and India to Amazon distribution centers in the United States and UK. In 2014, Amazon established its first sortation center in Kent, which received, sorted, and packaged orders before delivering them to shippers. In 2015, Amazon started building its own truck fleet. The company's shipping volume was set to grow as it continued to build its business-to-business or B2B marketplace, Amazon Business. Amazon Business, which launched in 2015, was a B2B marketplace that had more than $1 billion in sales in its first year of operations. By July 2017, it had 1 million business users and had expanded to Germany and Britain. Along with other business segments, Amazon's B2B marketplace continued to grow. One of the big investments Amazon ventured in is aviation. This started in 2015, where Amazon Air, formerly Amazon Prime Air, was created primarily to handle cargo airline operations exclusively for Amazon products. Amazon Air has relied on leasing aircraft from cargo operations and is looking forward to owning their first airline assets when it announced it bought 11 cargo airplanes this January 2021. This was seen a timely investment since demand for passenger aircraft depressed due to pandemic, and cargo flights became the prime movers. In 2016, globally supply chain by Amazon, a venture created by Amazon, established the company as a global logistics provider, targeting all services, including tracking, freight forwarding, and customer delivery. This means that sellers can also look directly with Amazon instead of booking with third-party couriers. And February of the same year, Amazon Flex started its operations. This enabled Amazon to contract third-party independent drivers or paid by the hour to deliver Amazon packages within select areas. 8 months later, Amazon set up a freight forwarding arm in Beijing to arrange transportation of goods from China to North America. In 2018, Amazon announced it would start delivering Whole Foods groceries via its Prime Now hubs in our markets. This established Prime Now hub as Amazon's fastest delivery option. Amazon is also looking forward to launch Shipping with Amazon, a service delivering packages from merchants' warehouse to customers' homes. Fulfillment centers or locations where manual receiving, warehousing, picking, packaging, and shipping operations take place. In 2018, Amazon already had 122 fulfillment centers, 39 outbound sortation centers, 33 fresh food distribution centers, 53 Prime Now hubs, and 71 Amazon Flex service delivery stations. All these investments and innovations have enabled Amazon and its logistics system to reach greater heights as one of the largest companies in the world. Needless to say, the analysis of the Amazon case provides how its core strategies, supply chains, and investments play critical roles in the growth and expansion of the organization. Thank you for your attention.